everyone, and welcome back to Craft Time after Rhyme Time. Today the letter is S. That's awesome. You guys watched Miss Nutra's video already, and if you didn't, the link is below. And so today for the letter S, we are going to be making a snail, and we're going to have this snail be able to rock back and forth. So you just need some paper and some scissors and some glue, and let's go get started. So for the snail, you're going to need some colored paper. It's up to you which colors you want, or you could just do white and color it in with markers or crayons. So you're going to pick which one you want to be your base, and we are going to trace a circle. So you can trace it as big as you want. You can pick something. This is going to be the size of our body of our snail. Or you can do this little trick where you hold your pencil in your hand and you put your finger on the page and you rotate your page to get a perfect circle. So that's what I'm going to do instead of tracing one. There we go. I have my circle by holding my pencil between my two hands, bracing my hand on the paper, and turning my paper. So we're going to cut this out. And we're going to save the scraps because we can use that for details like the eyes. And we're going to fold this in half. So now it should rock. This is the base of our snail. So now we want to cut a circle the size a little bit smaller than our base of our turtle because we want some showing here and we want some showing here, and we want it on both sides. So I'm going to fold this piece of paper in half. This should be about perfect, and I'm going to get two circles out of this. So again, I'm going to do my little trick, or again, this one actually will be perfect. So I'm going to trace my little lotion container. And now I'm going to cut that out, and I'm going to get two circles. There we go. And these will be glued right here on both sides. But before we glue that, let's go ahead and decide what color eyes we want. I'm going to do blue right here. And I'm going to cut 4 little circles out. So I'm going to fold my paper again, so that way I'm just doing it once. And these don't have to be perfect. There we go. So these are going to be my eyes right there. And so now we just need our little part that connects the eyes to the body. So I'm just cutting a little strip, and we only will need 2 of these. So this is very long. We don't need this much. So I'm going to cut about half of that away and cut this in half. There we go. So now we have our little connector for the eyes. And now we're ready to glue on the circle, these little pieces, and the eyes. So once we have our snail all glued together, we can go ahead and add our details. I'm just going to be doing this with my black marker. I'm going to be adding my little eyes, and you can either do a dot. I like to do these little half arches, makes him look like he's really happy, and then a little mouth, And we can't forget the detail of that spiral for the shell. And we're going to do that on both sides. Make sure you're doing your spiral in the same direction. And there is our adorable little snail who can rock. I hope you had fun making your cute little rocking snail. I think mine turned out adorable. I can't wait to see how you guys did yours. Remember, if you want to show the Winfield Public Library, you can post it on Facebook and tag them as well as Choate Studio, me, and I'd love to see what you guys turned out for the letter S for snail. So remember, like this video if you enjoyed it, watch Miss Nucha's Rhyme Time if you haven't already, and subscribe to the Winfield Public Library to get notified every time they post an awesome new video. Bye, friends. Look. Look at that.